hop on out. Yes. How smooth you are unwinding now.
But I'm letting it spin in my hands, which feels a bit...
It's a good thing, yeah.
It's a good
you can
thing.
moderate how fast it's sliding.
Accelerate there a little bit. I'm not sure if I should still be on the brakes.
That's good. I like being on the accelerator a little bit.
Doesn't that mean I'm like putting traction on my rear wheels rather than my front, which are doing all the hard work?
Yeah, but you have enough runoff there that it's good.
What does runoff mean?
Yeah. I'm sorry?
What does runoff mean?
It means you have like extra space. So, you ever heard the string theory before? That center point in the corner, and then as you're unwinding, then you start to apply the throttle.
So as soon as I'm unwinding, it's okay.
Exactly.
That's what I'm doing, and I just wasn't sure whether that was right.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Okay. I'm interested to see what you can do in the car, like full out.
Okay.
Let's see after this.
Go for it.
Wow, it's really getting empty out here.
Yeah. Just get tired.
Yeah, I was taking breaks, pacing myself. Then I ran out of gas. I had to take a break.
Ooh, look at that rotation. That was great.
That's good. Okay. Yeah. Part of me is like, if you're sliding, that means you're like lost traction.
But it's the way the car's sliding is what's different. Because the rear end's coming around more.
Because I was looking at a track and I'm like, it's drifting faster. Why don't like race cars drift? And they're like, no, they don't drift because it's not faster. You're like losing traction.
Correct. Yes.
But you're saying it's good here?
It's good in this environment.
Because
you're trying to rotate the car, so you're going straight sooner.
Okay, I get it.
Autocross, it's low speed, so you're going to lose a lot of speed to be straight faster.
And is that true even for me, who's like pretty slow to accelerate? Like I'm thinking this momentum car, I can't like afford to lose speed.
Even with a slower speed car,